friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today we are making trifle pudding cake. This is super delicious and very rich fruit cake. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. It's a little bit of preparation, but the end result is worth it. So here's what we need. We need some basic sponge cake for this recipe. You can either make at home or you can use store-bought. So this is homemade sponge cake, and you can refer my earlier recipes for basic eggless sponge cake. You will find many variations for making this vanilla sponge cake on my YouTube channel. Just browse it with the eggless sponge cake and with the tag Madhura's recipe. So I have followed the same recipe. We need some whipped cream. Also the recipe for whipped cream is on a YouTube channel. Then we also need some fruit custard. So this is little bit on thicker side, and the recipe for this fruit custard, and the important thing about that recipe is that is made using homemade custard powder. So you get two recipes over there: homemade custard powder plus custard, fruit custard. Then we need some fruits, some strawberries, grapes, black grapes, some orange juices there. Then I have also taken some bananas. Now if you don't want to use oranges, you can certainly replace that using some simple sugar syrup. So I am making this trifle pudding cake in this simple bowl. Now this is the same bowl in which I have baked my cake, so I get the perfect size of the cake as well. If you don't have the perfect size, you can certainly cut the cake pieces into small chunks and put a layer of that cut pieces, but it fits. But since I have baked cake in the same bowl, it fits really well. I don't need to cut, just I have divided that cake into two portions. Now let's soak this into this orange syrup. And as I said, you don't need to use orange juice. You can very well use simple sugar syrup. Orange juice just adds awesome freshness in this cake. Now take strawberries, and I'm going to place them on the sides of this cake. So you get this beautiful layers of strawberry. It looks so elegant. And look at that, it looks superb. Now let's put a layer of bananas, and you can pretty much use fruit of your choice. And then let's put in some grapes just to fill in the gaps. Some black grapes, so vibrant and colorful. After that's done, now let's put a layer of this vanilla custard. And now let's go ahead and put in this another layer of cake. Again, some orange juice, and now let's top it up with some whipped cream. And just spread this out. Now once this trifle pudding is topped up with whipped cream, you can just cover this up and allow this to stay in refrigerator overnight, or at least 7 to 8 hours. So now I'm going to top this up with some strawberry. Superb. And this trifle pudding cake looks wonderful. Look at the layers it has got. Strawberry cake, pudding plus cream. Super good. So enjoy this trifle pudding and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.